Hey, welcome to Broke No More, the show where we explain money stuff so simply, even your dog could understand it. I'm serious. Maybe. All right, today's topic, inflation. That sneaky little thing that makes your coffee cost $5 when it used to cost $2. So, what is inflation? Here's the simplest way to think about it. Imagine you have $20 in your pocket. Today you can buy 4 large pizzas with that. Sounds great, right? Now fast forward 1 year. You still have the same $20, but now those same 4 pizzas cost $28. Your money didn't change, but what it can buy did. That's inflation. It's the gradual rise in prices over time, which means every dollar you have buys you a little less than before. Now, why does this happen? Think of it like supply and demand, but for money itself. Scenario 1. Too much money chasing too few goods. Imagine the government prints a ton of new money and sends everyone a check. Suddenly, everyone has more cash and rushes to buy stuff. But the stores have the same amount of products. So what happens? Sellers raise prices because they can. Boom, inflation. Scenario 2. Things cost more to make. If oil prices spike, it costs more to ship goods, make products, run factories. Companies pass those extra costs onto you, the consumer. Again, prices go up. Again, inflation. Scenario 3. Everyone expects prices to rise. This one's wild. If workers believe everything will cost more next year, they demand higher wages now. Companies pay those wages, but then raise their prices to cover the cost. And suddenly, prices do rise. A self-fulfilling prophecy. Creepy, right? So is inflation always bad? Actually, no. A small amount of inflation, around 2% per year, is considered healthy. It encourages people to spend and invest money rather than stuff it under the mattress. Because if you wait, your cash loses value anyway. The problem is when inflation gets out of control. Like, historically out of control. In 1923, Germany had hyperinflation so bad that people were literally wheeling barrowfuls of cash to buy a single loaf of bread. A wheelbarrow full of cash for bread. More recently, Zimbabwe had inflation so extreme that they printed a $100 trillion bill. 100 trillion. And it still couldn't buy much. That's the dark side of inflation gone wrong. So what do you do about inflation? First, keeping all your money as cash is risky. It loses purchasing power over time. Instead, look at putting money in assets that tend to grow with or above inflation, like stocks, real estate, or inflation-protected investments. Second, understand that your salary needs to grow too. If you got a 2% raise, but inflation is 5%, congrats, you actually got a pay cut in real terms. And third, just knowing this stuff puts you ahead of most people. Seriously, that's the beauty of financial literacy. Once you understand how the system works, you stop being a victim of it. All right, that's a wrap on inflation. If this made your brain tingle just a little bit, smash that subscribe button. Next episode we're tackling GDP, what it is, why everyone keeps talking about it, and whether it actually tells us how good life really is. Spoiler, it's complicated. See you next time on Broke No More. Stay curious, stay solvent.